Welcome everyone. We are from Welltech Multitech Engineering College. Today we are presenting our final year project, which is analyzing and detection for online fraudulence payment using machine learning. Today I want to talk about a crucial issue that affects us all. Online payment security. With the rise of e-commerce and digital transactions, the risk of fraudulent payment has increased exponentially. As we increasingly rely on online transaction, it's essential to ensure that our financial information is secure. But the reality is that cyber criminals are becoming more sophisticated and fraudulent payments are on the rise. In this presentation, we'll explore the latest trends and techniques in fraudulent payment detection. We'll discuss the most efficient methods for identifying and preventing fraudulent transactions. We'll examine the role of machine learning and artificial intelligence in enhancing payment security. The problem statement. We'll be discussing about four types of fraudulent payment detections, which is rule-based detection. It includes threshold-based rules, velocity checks, geolocation checks. And the second one is machine learning-based detection. It includes supervised learning and unsupervised learning. And the third one is behavioral detection. It includes device fingerprinting and etc. And the fourth one is graph-based detection, which includes network analysis and transaction graph analysis. These are basic type can be combined and tailored to create more efficient fraudulent payment detection systems. In the objective, we'll be using machine learning techniques. These can analyze vast amount of transactions to identify suspicious patterns of fraudulent behavior. Machine learning algorithms play a vital role in detection and preventing such frauds by continuously learning from historical data and adapting to emerge fraud trends. In abstraction, we'll be detecting the fraudulent activities and to identify suspicious patterns in online transaction by analyzing a wide range of transactional data such as transactions, history, user behavior, device fingerprint, and geolocation. The system can efficiently identify the difference between a fraudulent transaction in real time. In existing system, we'll be seeing the online fraudulent payment using machine learning often suffer from several disadvantages. These rule-based systems often lack the sophisticated to detect subtle patterns and of fraudulent behavior, leading to missed detections and increased vulnerability of fraud attacks. Proposed system will be including the machine learning techniques to the existing system to increase the limitations and advantages of advanced machine learning techniques. One key advantage is the use of sophisticated anomaly detection algorithm that can automatically identify subtle patterns and identify the fraudulent behavior. By employing these techniques such as unsupervised learning, the proposed system can effectively detect previously unseen fraud patterns, minimizing the false positive and improving overall detection occurrence. Architecture diagram, and we'll be using this project in a software, so the hardware and software requirements is as usual as we'll be needing in that. The modules we are using in it was data collection, feature engineering, model selection, dataset preparation, model training, and model evaluation. These are the data we will be collecting from any source, and these will be the Excel sheet we will be getting after collection of data. These output shows the probability of fraud occurring while the payment is on process. The module 2 will be mentioning the algorithms such as rule-based system, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, behavior analysis, graph analysis. We will have implementation in this project. Those includes diagrams such as data flow, use case, class diagram, activity, sequence, collaboration, and ER diagram. Here we are using 4 types of testings: unit testing, integration testing, system testing, functional testing. In unit testing, we'll use data processing module. Unit test focus on verifying the handling of missing values, normalize of numerical features, and encoding of categorical variables. Integrated testing, it is used it is a primary goal is to ensure that different modules work harmoniously together, contributing to the effective and occurrent identification of fraudulent transaction. In system testing, this testing phase goes beyond unit and integrated testing, focusing on validating the system's overall performance, security, and usability in a simultaneous production environment. In functional testing, the conference testing approach various aspects of system, including transaction process, user interface, and system responses. The input will be an Excel sheet form which will be collecting from different kind of sources. These are the data of that has been occurred fraud. This is the phase 2 of project, analyzing and detection of online fraudulence payment using machine learning. We are using the front end will be the building using framework like React.js and Angular. The backend will be leverage Flask or Django in Python. In front end, we'll be using these, and in backend, we'll be using these. These are the references. Thank you.